Okay, hello everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land. There's another land, and no land and a rubber band. Yeah, answering a guy's question because he was wondering because his welding machine is AC about whether or not it could burn 7018s. Well, 7018 is all it is. 7018 low hydrogen rod. To answer your question about whether or not it will burn AC current, I've burned these with AC. With my old Craftsman, ancient Craftsman, it was a AC welder. It burns okay. I went through my book because growing up, I've always wanted to know everything about welding and what you gotta know about currents and stuff like that, polarity, this, that, whatever. And 7018s, DC positive and AC. That's the welding currents. Let's see. When a guy was talking about special rods, it probably was the only thing I can think of when welding anything with titanium in it, that is high tensile, because the 70 or 60 or whatever the first two digits means a psi, tensile strength. So you talked about your 6013s, okay? It's 60,000 pounds. It's 60,000 psi tensile strength. 7018s, 70,000 psi, and so forth. I've welded with up to 120 18s, 120,000 psi. So it's and those same thing, DC positive, AC current. So let's see, GSX 1100. I think that's in your what is it, SGSX or something, 1100. You're the guy building the small dozer. Well, like I said, that guy that was trying to sell you that thing about the preheating and all that other stuff that he's trying to feed you. Kind of lucky they didn't have me to deal with it as a customer, because I would have just told him, you know what, fuck, go sit in a corner over there and go suck your fucking pee-pee. You know what I mean? That attitude comes from, the years I spent in prison. And I welded everything, you know what I mean? I started welding at 15 and never stopped. And I'm 56 today. I'm not the kind of guy that is gonna try to sell you a line of bullshit. Prison taught me that. We don't do that in there. You either be real or you either be dead or the other. And dead is easier. The other, no fucking way. The other is bend over and let the guy fuck you in the ass, okay. But No, when when I see stuff like that, it tells me that the guy is trying to sell you more. Maybe he wants you to bring your dozer parts over to him, so he can jack you up for like $90 an hour to weld the stuff for you when you could have done them yourself right at home. So, I work with T1 armor plate, uh, just straight, um, straight from the dealer, straight from the foundry. Um, they'll drill like any other steel. When you start heat treating them and case hardening, then a lot of they think I'm real hard. But up until then, you should be able to drill them with no problem. And those times when they they are case hardened or whatever, heat treated. If your drill bits have a problem going through, then you can always chuck up end mills. Use a center cutting end mill with oil and should drill them, should cut right into them. So just want to pass on our knowledge, just to let you know you're on the right track, and you're talking about using the forklift teeth, cutting those up and making forklift forks to make the teeth for your bow gear and stuff like that. Go right ahead, it's good stuff. And if you ever get to a place where they really want, just go buy hard facing rods. I'm not sure though with hard facing rods as far as polarity goes, but maybe you know if you can find you a good engine drive with a three position polarity switch, and you can weld anything. You know what I mean? But just to ease your mind about the 7018s, go right ahead, weld them with your AC welding machine. It'll work. Take it from me. Uh, like I said, I've been doing this for 41 years. Starting when I was 15, doing projects, and it all includes heavy equipment repair, the whole nine. So, um, go ahead, weld them with your AC. I got the box right here from Lincoln Electric. These will work. Let's see which one it is. It says over here 7018 AC RSP. So, and let's see what else. That's it. Product number. I think the product number L14125-5. There you go. This I don't know if it'll show it. Wait. So that you can see what I'm talking about. There you go. 7018 AC Lincoln. Well, this thing's showing backwards for some reason. Maybe because of the way this this camera is. It's anyway. Just wanted to send this out to you and ease your mind about building your small bulldozer. Till then, aloha, wide.